The Manu National Park is located in Peru and it's part of the Amazon basin. Within the park's buffer zone, Tambo Blanquillo Private Nature Reserve is considered one of the most biodiverse rainforests, which still remains untouched by human hand and the civilized world. In the Amazon, felines are apex predators, essential in regulating animal populations within its environment. Such position along the food chain provides them with a key role in keeping the balance and sustainability of the animal-plant species within the various trophic levels that compose that ecosystem. Features like date, exact time, and temperature are details offered by trap cameras. These are sufficient proof about the validity of the footage, giving us further information which aids to understand animal behavior and their movements within the territory. Additionally, these recordings confirm the presence of a variety of species for the assurance of future guests to Tambo Blanquillo. Thanks to the trap camera project we have and the kindness of tourists that have shared with us the footage of films and videos, we have been able to keep track of the behavior of jaguar and other feline creatures roaming around. Last November, we had an unusual sighting of a jaguar mother teaching her two cubs the first lesson of hunting macos at the Maco Clay Lake. Even though the video was recorded using a regular phone improvised with a telescope to magnify distance, the moment was saved as a record of a whole family of jaguar hunting behavior. Clearly, these lucky tourists weren't just seeing a family of jaguars parading below trees, clustered of birds in the wild, but watching how the hunting habits are passed generation to generation. Finally, this event paired with similar past events this year and years before that involve not only jaguars, ocelots, pumas, deers, capybaras, tends us to believe that Tambo Blanquillo Maco Clay Lake is a hotspot, similar to the ones found in Africa, where wildlife gather around and feed themselves.